Okay, unboxing the polishing drawing machine from Temu before the tariffs were implemented. So, 40-50 bucks this whole thing. So we got this machine. We got these two sander stuff, and we got all the parts and some instructions. If there is any instructions. No, just a parts list. So let's put this thing together. That comes out of the box. What do we have to do here? We have to take this part, I guess. Let's see if we can figure this out. What is this? Don't know. Do we need a shield? I guess so. First we'll start with this part. Okay. How do you? Okay, we have to lock it in here. And lock it in there. Okay, it's locked. Okay, let's force it open. Which way? Which way is it supposed to go? This way. Yeah, like a regular screw. Okay, I got myself a screwdriver. Let's put this on. So I guess this is gonna go, this stop is gonna go against this wall. Like that. Screw it in. So it's against this wall, this block. Okay, so that's that. So now this fits in. I don't know if this has direction. Doesn't look like. Just goes like that. So this is still this area. If you look at it straight, there's still this much area that's over the top of the shield. Okay, so I guess it's gonna go in these grooves, these pieces. Let's put it in this way, because it seems to have, you want there shouldn't be any play this way. If it's this way, there's too much play in there. So I don't want to play it that way. You want to prevent it from rotating. So we want it this way. Even though there's gap this way. I want it that way. To have less play. Okay, that's in. Put this on. Okay, now it's tight. And this is cheap metal. Look at this. Look how it's bending over. After a few times, this is not going to be worth anything. Well, I'm not relying on this anyways. It's good for one time, 2-time use. So this is what it's made for. Another piece for that. Yep, we got another piece for that. So yeah, you could first add one side for an Allen wrench. Let's use the Allen wrench for that. Okay, that's in. Now we'll use this. And that's fitting. pretty hard. Is it supposed to be like this? Doesn't make sense. Something is weird. It does go the other way. Okay, mess up. This is stuck in here now. What are these? Maybe we can make something with this. Oh yeah, cool. Okay, let's see if we can get this out. Okay, I got myself some of my own wrenches. 1/2 inch. Let's see if we can get this to work. Open them this way. If it's gonna go on. Put it together in the first thing. Let's see. Okay, this one. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get this to work. Ready? 1, 2. Ooh, okay. Got this. Oh yeah. Thank God for that. Got it off. Thank God. I gotta get this off. Okay. Thank God we're free. Let's try this again. After we got everything out. Gotta keep it nice and straight. Oh, okay, we got it. So that was the problem. Keep it nice and straight. I don't want to over tighten this again. So wiggly here. This is, I don't know. Not sure this is supposed to be like this. It says first to connect this to this, then this to that. How do you keep this from rotating all over? So I think I figured out how to get this tight. So we'll first unscrew this. Check it out, it's coming off with the the whole thing inside. So first let's keep that in position. Okay, we got this locked out. So one last option, we'll try to put this in, we'll put it in like 6 threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll try the other thing. Now let's try the 2 screws. See how much it's sticking out. Yeah, we got a lot of thread now. Okay, so we'll go in a little bit more, and then we'll use the 2 screw method. Let's see, we want to go maybe, I think that would be enough for the handle. Maybe like that. You can go like this. I think that should be enough for the handle. So now let's screw this in. as much as it goes. Okay, we bottomed out. Let's tighten this down. Bottom one. Okay. Now let's put this on. So keep it straight like this. Now we'll tighten the top one. Actually it goes the other way. It goes against this, so we have to go counterclockwise. Okay. Oh. Well, I'll always be able to turn it out. I think this is the best setup. So again, we got this one to tighten it against the tool, and we got the other one to tighten it against the handle. You'll always be able to unscrew the handle. So, but this is the best way you could do it. Just tighten it again. So I think this is the best. Yeah, so it feels the best way doing it with this setup. Okay, I think I finally figured this out, why they gave 2 nuts. Okay, let's see if this turns on. Okay. Not sure why it's wobbling so much. It's good to start testing. I need this thing standard. So let's see if this does anything. Much better. Faster. Nice. Nicely frosted. Nice lines. Beautiful. I like it. Why I'm doing it is because I didn't like the lights reflecting off the solid color. Looking good. So this is a book stand. Want to know? Your books on. You study stuff. Study books. Nice. hopefully there won't be any more light reflection. So I want to see if this is not balanced or not. So let's see. So it seems to be balanced. So we'll see if when we put this on, if this is just a very bad balance thing, it just jumps, or is it? Well, there's something with this, I guess. Okay. So let's see again. Let's lower this thing. There's a shake to it. There's a shake to it. But it's a little bit better now, actually. Thanks for watching, and that's it.